For the first time ever, you can achieve smooth, accurate autofocus when shooting video with a DSLR camera. It's the level of autofocus you'd expect from a camcorder. Canon's groundbreaking, newly developed Dual Pixel CMOS autofocus technology makes this sharp autofocus possible. On this new sensor, more than 80% of the 20 million pixels work together, measure the signal, and focus on the subject at hand. When shooting a moving subject, the ability to track or follow that subject and still maintain focus is highly improved. Live view shooting of photographs is remarkably fast, and movies incredibly smooth. The EOS 70D's Vari-angle LCD with touch shutter gives you the flexibility to shoot at low and high angles with ease. And with 103 compatible Canon EF lenses, the new EOS 70D with this powerful autofocus feature further expands your creative photo and movie shooting opportunities.